This video will show you the awesome resource of Google Code Lab that they offer for holiday coding for students. As an English teacher turned science teacher turned IIC, introducing coding to my students was probably one of the most nerve-wracking experiences. I wasn't confident in my own coding abilities to be able to really teach my students. However, Google Code Lab has made this the easiest thing to introduce to your students. Every year on December 1st, Google introduces their Santa Tracker. This is a site that Google provides that has a ton of different games and activities, but the best is their Code Lab. So when you get to santatracker.google.com, you click on the 3 lines over here in the top left. You'll see all of these different games, and some of them are really actually pretty funny. The Snowbox is a 3D builder, which is great. There are some just different geometry games, talking about angles and things like that. But by far my favorite is the Code Lab. When you open up the Code Lab, this really does take your students through the absolute basics of coding. The first round, you'll think it's so simple that your kids won't even enjoy it, but really, this is one of the first ways that I explored coding and really kind of became more comfortable with it. So this is taking you through block coding, and they're literally showing you, for our youngest learners, how you would move code blocks. Good job. It starts out very, very simple, and it keeps moving you through. You'll see that there are 14 levels, and as soon as you kind of get comfortable with moving those codes, it'll show you exactly what to do. So right now, it's already set up for me. I can hit the play button, and it tells me I didn't use enough blocks. So I can try again, and I can drag it again, and now your students are learning that very basic process of coding. Again, it's going to take them through 14 levels. This is a perfect experience for middle schoolers. So again, I'm telling my little Santa to go up 2 and then turn west. It walks your kids through it step by step and really takes all of the instruction out of your hands and puts it right here on Google. So the first time I used this with my students, I actually used it with 5th graders, and they picked up on it very quickly. I didn't even have to instruct. It was really just watch the little snippets, the little click here type things, and the kids picked up on it, and really by the end, level 14, they're able to code their little critter all the way through this maze, and they really do get into it. So if you are interested in using this with your class, it would be something I'd be happy to help you with. So please reach out to your building IIC if this is something you would like to try with your students. It is a lot of fun. It's a great way to bring some holiday spirit in to your classroom while teaching some of those advanced skills like coding.